my name is Rachael O'Brien, and today I'm with one of the most amazing movers in the world. Her name is
Michelle McDonald.
Haha, my sister.
Welcome. Oh my gosh, Rachel and I have been talking. We've had the same idea of direction that we wanted to go in. We actually had the same program and in different, both running separately. So like, oh my gosh, let's bring this together and let's just create such an impact on the people that are really wanting to take their business to the next level.
Okay, now before we go into our invitation launch, we're going to make it super clear here. These whiteboard sessions that we have created are only for people that are willing to actually be present and honest with their business. So what we're going to invite you to in this invitation is first, know what your energetic priority is. If it's your business is part-time, great. If it's full-time, great. We are inviting you to the tools of joy of business, which is connector, mover, creator, and foundation people. And these sessions that we're inviting to are allowing you to get clear on your energetic priorities with your business, your time management, and what your business is missing, what you have to add, and what it requires more of.
And also, like, if there's something that you don't know, then you have both Rachel and my brains to pick. We've both been in business for a long time. And so we've both been in business for a long time. So we have the ability to look outside of the box and be able to see something that you may not see, and also utilize, like, we both have been using technology for quite a while, and that's my capacity, is technology and back-end systems. So by all means, pick my brains. Rachel's a phenomenal connector. If you don't know how to get your class out, your business out, or your idea, and who to start talking to, like, these sessions are to use us.
Totally. So we are going to start on July 30th. We start a whiteboard session. There is a sales page. Go check it out. Michelle, what times are we on at?
We are at 10:30 Irish Standard Time, 11:30 Central European Standard Time, and 7:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time on Monday, the 30th of July. We've kept it simple. It's €30, £30, 30 Aussie dollars, and 30 US dollars. And your pricing is applicable to where you live. So
therefore, if you're living in the UK, you pay UK pounds. Now, there's one piece that I would like you to take away from this video. My business cannot be run by Rachael O'Brien alone. Michelle's business cannot be run by Michelle McDonald alone. Why is that? I'm a creator, which means I have phenomenal ideas. The institution part, though, is not my forte. Michelle is a phenomenal institutor. We both require the energies. It's like a mill wheel. There are certain energies to be present in your business to allow it to expand and grow. So we're really having these sessions so that you get clear on what's required and you find a way. If you're looking for excuses and justifications, these aren't for you. These are action sessions. So that's a piece. For me, I require other energies in my business. I would just be here with every idea popping. Now, how do I get paid for my ideas when they become a physical form, be a video, a product, a call? So if you're looking to create classes, come, we are phenomenal together. We will facilitate the shit out of anything that you haven't got clarity on. That is our absolute commitment to these calls.
This is like the pieces of information that you've been missing.
Totally. Come join us. July 30th, whiteboard sessions with Rachel
and Michelle, and we look forward to seeing you then.